Addressing the nation this evening from State House, Nairobi, President Uhuru Kenyatta gave a new tally of confirmed cases of COVID-19 that day by day takes an upward trajectory.
In the last 24 hours, we have conducted 704 tests, out of which 9 persons have tested positive for coronavirus. In that regard, the total number of persons who have tested positive now stands at 234. Fortunately for us, 53 persons have also turned negative and been discharged from hospital. We have lost 11 persons to this disease, and nearly 1,000 are still in quarantine, and 156 in isolation facilities.
With some county governments such as Machakos having taken it upon themselves to look into the welfare of the health workers by giving them special allowances to cushion them against the effects of the global health and economic crisis, the head of state has directed the Health and Public Service Ministries to develop welfare package to cushion frontline health workers.
Recognizing the critical importance of health, mental and emotional needs of our frontline medical doctors, nurses, and other medical professionals, I am today directing the Ministry of Public Service and the Ministry of Health to develop a welfare package to cushion these frontline officers, especially during this challenging time. This should include actions by medical insurance companies to cover the health requirements of our hospital staff, especially those dealing with this pandemic.
Just a day after the Council of Governors lamented KEMSA's monopoly of being the sole provider of medical equipment, which they noted was a key challenge in procuring medical supplies, President Kenyatta to this end directed KEMSA to waive 3-month supply of PPEs to counties amid the pandemic that has now spread to more than 15 counties.
I am directing that county governments receive a 3-month waiver from the Kenya Medical Supply Agency requirement for the purchase of masks and PPEs to protect our citizens and healthcare workers from infection. This waiver applies to sourcing of these products locally. The national government will also support the county's response to the coronavirus crisis with an additional 5 billion shillings that will supplement the savings that the counties have generated.
Kenyans have as well been urged to be vigilant to curb the spread of the coronavirus to avoid ensuing deaths as witnessed in other nations, such as the USA, where victims are buried in mass graves. The head of state further warned that rogue police officers found abusing the authority during the enforcement of the government directives amid the coronavirus pandemic will face the full wrath of the law. Joel Chacha, Switch TV, Nairobi.